Are you looking for the best vlogging cameras? In this video we will look at some of best vlogging cameras. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 5. DJI Osmo Pocket 3. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 puts its large Type 1 sensor camera on a 3-axis gimbal for smooth, stable, and hassle-free video. The Pocket supports 10-bit 4K 60 with standard, HDR HLG, or D-Log-M color, and does 3K 60 vertical recording for social platforms, too. It's easy to change aspect ratios as well, just twist the touchscreen 90 degrees. Excellent battery life and a strong accessory library complete the package. The Pocket 3 is the camera to get if you work handheld and want tripod quality stabilization without the fuss of external accessories. You can get started vlogging right out of the box with the basic edition, but more advanced creators should opt for the $669 Creator Combo, which includes an extended life battery, a wide-angle add-on lens, a tabletop tripod, a wireless lav mic, and a carrying case. Large image sensor excels in dim light. Excellent battery life. Records long clips without overheating. Built-in wireless mic support. USB-C charging. Not rugged or weatherproof. Costs more than the Pocket 2. Number 4. Insta360 X4. The dual-lens Insta360 X4 probably shouldn't be your only camera for vlogs, but it's unique in its ability to grab mind-bending hyperlapse footage and give your viewers a true sense of your surroundings. It can go pretty much anywhere, too, thanks to a rugged, waterproof build. Video capture tops out at an impressive 8K resolution at 30 frames per second. Consider the X4 if you want to add some special effects shots to your vlogs. It offers the rare combination of excellent hardware and powerful, easy-to-use software. Insta360's full-featured mobile app makes the X4 especially appealing for vloggers who cut video on a phone or tablet. Up to 8K video capture. Easy to hold and use. Waterproof build. Large touchscreen. Capable editing software. Accessories add to cost. Runs hot. Number 3. GoPro Hero 12 Black. The GoPro Hero 12 Black is an action cam first and foremost, but it also offers a lot to vloggers, including a front-facing color LCD, 10-bit HDR video, a tripod mount, and support for high-quality audio via the Media Mod add-on. Its 8:7 aspect sensor is ideal for pulling out widescreen or vertical clips, a positive for social posts. It also makes sense as a secondary camera to grab shots you can't get with a big ILC, think extreme slow motion, underwater, and mounted point-of-view footage. Vloggers eyeing the Hero 12 as their main camera should splurge for the $599.99 Creator Edition, which includes the Volta battery handle, the Media Mod mic, and a video light. Your vlog can certainly benefit from the creative shots that the tiny, mountable Hero 12 Black can get. Its waterproof build and slow-motion recording options also come in handy for outdoor and nature work. You can save money and enjoy a similar experience with a Hero 10 or Hero 11, both still on sale, but you'll miss out on HDR video, a feature that makes your vlogs look better, especially in mixed lighting. Class-leading video stabilization. 10-bit HDR, GP-Log, and SDR video profiles. Up to 5.3K 60, 4K 120, or 2.7K 240 recording. More useful easy controls than on Hero 11. Front and rear displays. Pro controls and timecode sync. Tough, waterproof build. Small enough to mount in tight spots. Drops long-running GPS feature. Only a few headphones support wireless audio feature. One battery won't last all day. Number 2. Fujifilm X-S20. The Fujifilm X-S20 is an exceptionally capable camera for video thanks to its stabilized sensor, nearly full-width 4K 60 recording option, and front-facing display. It supports F-Log recording with 10-bit 4:2:2 color for expert editors, and vloggers who prefer a ready-to-share clip can use Fujifilm simulations for easy creative looks. Plenty of lenses are available, too, including the wide f8mm f3.5, meaning you have freedom in your choice of angle. The XS20 is a sensible step up from the Sony ZV-E10 II or Nikon Z30 for vloggers who like to work handheld and don't want to fuss with a gimbal. It's a more costly prospect, as you need to add a mic and a premium lens, so it might appeal more to experienced vloggers who know how to take full advantage of its abilities. Magnesium body with swing-out LCD. Subject recognition autofocus system. Long battery life. 7-stop stabilization. Built-in flash. Diverse set of film simulation looks. 10-bit 4K 60 and 6K 30 video. Not weather sealed. Undersized EVF. Prone to overheating. Number 1. Sony ZV-E1. The Sony ZV-E1 is, hands down, the best built for vlogging camera we've tested. It records full-frame 4K videos with the option to blur backgrounds, records clear audio internally with support for digital add-on microphones, and unlocks access to the broad Sony lens system. It also includes features made just for content creators, such as a widescreen cinevlog look, an autofocus mode for product reviews, and an AI-based camera assistant that adds production value to self-recorded footage. The ZV-E1 has loads of features to help solo creators get more engaging videos. For instance, it can automatically punch in for a tighter frame, while still tracking your movements, and it includes several beyond basic stabilization modes. Sony does its best to make the camera's features easy to understand too, which is helpful for newcomers, though the price and pro-level capabilities make this an equally compelling pick for creators with existing know-how. Tiny full-frame camera with stabilized sensor. Widescreen cinematic vlog mode. S-Cinetone and S-Log 3 picture profiles. Great-looking 10-bit 4K 60 video. 4K 120 and 1080p 240 slow motion. Excellent stabilization system. Quality in-camera audio. Fragile micro HDMI port. Can overheat at 4K 60? No mechanical shutter.